A delicious breakfast, the sweet blueberry biscuit. Rip open that pouch, throw it into a bowl with 3 tablespoons of cold water, and mix. You don't have to mix it long for it to look like this. Spray that fueling tray with some Pam. You can use a mini scraper to get every last bit out of your bowl into your fueling tray, and then tap the fueling tray a few times on the counter to make sure it spreads out evenly. We just got this handy dandy power air fryer oven and we love it. It makes fuelings delicious. You can also use a half a tablespoon of butter as a healthy fat. Today I chose to use a 1/4 tablespoon because that's all I needed. So that would be a half of a healthy fat. Manja manja. Be sure to check us out at Healthy for Life for all of your fueling hacks and healthy lean and green recipes by Chef Joe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.